Want to disable the YouTube app on your Samsung phone quickly and safely? In this tutorial, I'll show you two easy methods that work in minutes. No root or extra apps needed. Method 1. Disable YouTube from the home screen. The fastest way to disable the app is directly from your home screen or app drawer. First, locate the YouTube app icon on your Samsung phone. Once you find it, tap and hold the icon for a few seconds until a pop-up menu appears on the screen. In the menu, look for the Disable option. Tap on it, then confirm your choice when the warning message appears. After confirmation, the YouTube app will be disabled immediately. The app will no longer run in the background, send notifications, or appear in your active apps list. Method 2. Disable YouTube through settings. Recommended. This method is more reliable and works on almost all Samsung Galaxy devices. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps to open the full application manager. In the apps list, search for and select YouTube. Inside the YouTube app settings page, you'll see a Disable button near the bottom of the screen. Tap it once, then select Disable app in the confirmation pop-up. Samsung may also restore the factory version of the app before disabling it completely. Once finished, YouTube will be turned off and hidden from normal use. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Samsung and Android tutorials.